Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the history, value, and hidden details of a very interesting coin, the James Madison $1 coin from the United States. At first glance, this coin looks simple. It has a golden color, a clean design, and a familiar size. Most people use it like any other coin without paying much attention. But in reality, this coin carries history, meaning, and sometimes even hidden value. Let's start with the history. The James Madison $1 coin was released in 2007 as part of a special series called the Presidential Dollar Coin Program. This program was created by the United States government to honor all former presidents of the country. Each president was featured on a $1 coin in the order they served. James Madison, who was the fourth president of the United States from 1809 to 1817, was included in this series because of his important role in American history. He is often called the father of the Constitution because he helped create the U.S. Constitution and the Bill of Rights. Because of his contributions, his image was placed on this coin as a symbol of leadership and history. Now let's talk about the design of the coin. On the front side, you will see a portrait of James Madison. Along with his image, there is text that includes his name, the words fourth president, and the years he served in office. On the back side, the coin features the Statue of Liberty. This represents freedom and democracy. You will also see the value of the coin, which is $1. One unique feature of this coin is that some important details are not on the front or back. Instead, they are written on the edge of the coin. These include the year it was made, the phrase, "In God We Trust," and "E Pluribus Unum." This makes the coin different from many other coins and adds to its uniqueness. Now let's talk about how the coin is made. The coin is produced by the United States Mint. It is not made of gold, even though it looks golden. It is made from a combination of metals, including copper and manganese brass. This gives it a shiny, golden appearance. The process of making the coin involves high-pressure machines that stamp the design onto metal blanks. After that, the edge lettering is added separately. Millions of these coins were produced in places like Philadelphia and Denver. Now here comes the most interesting part: the value. In most cases, this coin is worth exactly $1. You can still use it in everyday transactions because it is legal currency in the United States. However, some of these coins can be worth more. If the coin is in perfect condition, collectors may pay more than $1 for it. Clean, shiny coins with no scratches are always more valuable. There are also special cases where the coin has an error. For example, some coins were made without edge lettering. These are called error coins, and they are rare. Because of their rarity, collectors are willing to pay much higher prices for them. In some cases, these coins can be worth $20, $50, or even more dollars depending on their condition and rarity. Another important factor is demand. If more collectors are looking for a specific coin, its value can increase over time. Now let's talk about why people are interested in coins like this. Coins are not just money. They are part of history. They represent a time, a leader, and a story. When you hold a coin like this, you are holding a small piece of history in your hand. Many people enjoy collecting coins because it feels like a treasure hunt. You never know when you might find something rare or valuable. That is why experts always say, check your coins carefully. Look at the details, check the edges, observe the condition, because sometimes a coin that looks completely normal can turn out to be something special. In conclusion, the James Madison $1 coin is more than just a simple coin. It represents history, design, and potential value. Even though most of these coins are worth only $1, some can be more valuable depending on their condition and unique features. So next time you see a coin like this, don't ignore it. Take a closer look. Because you might be holding something more valuable than you think. Thank you for listening.